Hi, and welcome. This video will be walking you through everything you need to know after getting a temporary crown. These instructions are here to help you stay comfortable, protect your tooth. It's normal for your tooth and gum to feel a little sensitive for a few days. Wait until the numbness from your procedure wears off before eating, so you don't accidentally bite your cheek, tongue, or lip. For the first 24 hours, stick to softer foods like yogurt, eggs, mashed potatoes, or pasta. Eat on the opposite side of your mouth than the temporary crown. Also avoid sticky foods like gum, caramel, or taffy. They can pull your crown off. Avoid hard or crunchy foods like nuts, ice, or hard bread crusts. They can crack the crown. Brush your temporary crown gently, just like your other teeth. When you floss, slide the floss out sideways instead of pulling it straight up. This will help keep the crown from loosening or popping off. If your crown feels loose or comes off, call your dental office as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.